Azure Application Gateway, WAF, Layer 7 Load Balancer. Definition: Azure Application Gateway is a Layer 7 application layer load balancer that manages web traffic to applications. It integrates a Web Application Firewall, WAF, to protect against common web attacks. Core features: Layer 7 routing. Routes requests based on URL path, hostname, HTTP headers, or query strings. SSL termination and end-to-end SSL. Decrypts SSL traffic at the gateway and re-encrypts to backend. WAF, Web Application Firewall, protects apps from OWASP top 10 threats, SQL injection, XSS, etc. Autoscaling. Automatically scales up/down based on traffic. Multi-site hosting. Hosts multiple apps on a single gateway using host-based routing. Rewrite and redirection. Modify headers, URLs, and redirect traffic as needed. Session affinity. Cookie-based ensures a user session is sent to the same backend server. Custom rules. Fine-grained access control based on IP, geolocation, headers, etc. Integration. Works with Azure Front Door, App Service, AKS, and VM scale sets. Web Application Firewall, WAF, modes. 1. Detection mode. Logs malicious requests, does not block. 2. Prevention mode. Detects and blocks harmful traffic. WAF rule sets. Based on OWASP Core Rule Set, CRS. Provides protection against SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, remote file inclusion, command injection, HTTP request, smuggling/splitting. Use cases. Protect web apps and APIs from malicious attacks. Load balance traffic at application layer. Centralized SSL policy enforcement. Host multi-tenant applications securely. Improve high availability with autoscaling. Benefits: deep traffic inspection at Layer 7. Built-in DDoS protection when combined with Azure DDoS protection. Flexible routing and rewriting capabilities. Secure exposure of apps without modifying backend code.